Hi everybody, welcome to the show.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we were supposed to make Play-Doh for you. Amanda was going to make Play-Doh, but she's not feeling well, she's sick. So instead, I'm taking the girls and we're going to go for a walk to our local coffee shop and we're going to play some games and drink some tea and have fun and learn at the same time. So follow us.
Dad, look, there's a new trail!
Me too, Zoe. Lexi, you got your backpack on? With all our games and stuff? It's not just the games when we get there that are fun, but how we get there too is part of the adventure. What are we gonna play?
Uno.
Uno?
I got it.
Okay, Lexi, let's count. In French? Okay. Okay, Lexi, are we playing an open hand?
Yeah. If you want to play it closed hand, you can play it closed hand.
Okay. You can go first.
Okay. Go first.
Okay, Lexi, I went. Your turn.
Oh, my bagel. I don't have any reds.
Okay, choisis une carte.
Ooh, change the color.
Right?
You gotta change the
I'm gonna play another red. Okay, your turn. I picked green. Your turn, go.
Reverse.
Okay, reverse.
I got
Your turn again.
And you pick up two.
Alright, I gotta pick up two.
Pick up two.
Alright, don't do it.
You have to pick up two. 7.
You don't have any green, but can you match a number?
What?
Yeah.
What's that? Oh! I gotta make a trade.
So sometimes Zoe will play cards with us, but sometimes she just plays with her Play-Doh, which is fine.
There you go, baby.
Daddy can't go. I gotta pick up a card.
Oh. My turn?
Yep.
Uno!
Uno, you gotta say Uno, right? You did it.
Yeah.
Good job. You can't match the color or the number. What do you do?
Pick up.
Yeah.
Pick up a card.
Motua. I'm changing it to red.
Okay, I don't have any red cards.
You're playing closed hand, Alexi?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go? No? You picked up the card? Okay, my turn. I'm gonna switch it to yellow. I'm gonna make you pick up two. My turn. Uno. I have one card left.
So you win?
No. You gotta get rid of all your cards.
I only have yellow. Pick up two.
Pick up two. 1, 2. Okay, your turn. Alright, my turn. Boom.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I can't go. So I'm gonna pick up. Tonto. What do you say?
Uno.
It's my turn. I can't go. I gotta pick up a card. Okay, Tonto.
I won.
Did you win, Alexi?
I knew it.
And there's Zoe playing Play-Doh in her hair. Good game, Alexi.
Good game.
Good game, Alexi.
Thanks.
Uno was always one of my favorite games growing up. Lots of fun to play. And then next we're gonna play.
His hair coming in.
Next we're gonna play some Scrabble, but we don't really play Scrabble the way you're supposed to. We're just learning our letters and our sounds of our letters. You're gonna play Scrabble? So we use the cards to spell out different words and to explore the sounds of the letters and how they blend together. Right, Lexi? All right, Lexi.
I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O-N. Bingo, what's his name?
Bingo, what's his name? So we have B-I-N-G-O. So we've been practicing just changing the different letters at the beginning of the word. So now what is the spell?
Kingo.
And Ingo together makes Kingo.
Kingo.
What happens if I put a R at the beginning? What kind of sound does R make? So put that at the beginning here. What is this part? Ingo?
Ingo. Ringo.
Ringo, yeah, exactly. Did you know that's one of the Beatles?
No.
That's the name of one of the Beatles, Ringo Starr. Okay, I'll continue. How about this? Okay, Alexi. So now we have a D, gives a d sound.
Yeah.
So what happens if I put this in front? Ingo.
Dingo.
Dingo. Yeah. Did you know that's a kind of dog?
No.
Kind of wild dog in Australia.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know this dog in Australia.
M sound. And Ingo.
Mingo.
Is it? Yeah, it's Mingo. So hopefully you enjoyed our game schooling at the coffee shop. Check out our other videos, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing and hit the like button. And make sure you go check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Say bye.